Here's Noah's first present on Christmas Day.
Alright, can you get it? Get it?
Yeah, get in there, kiddo. Nice job.
Yeah! Let's get another piece. Let's get another piece. You want this piece? Oh, you see it now, don't you? Here. Yeah.
Woo! Good job.
Yeah. Good job. Yeah.
Look what it is. Oh, he wants the paper.
What is that, silly boy?
You see what you got, buddy?
One more piece? One more tear? Hmm? Yeah.
Oh,
There it is.
look what it is. It's a little dog.
It's so big. It's learning time.
What do you think? Yeah, I don't know.
All right, good job, buddy.